Question number 12. The bedrock of the Adriatic Mountains was formed mainly by the. Now, whenever you see something talking about New York State, Adriatic Mountains, always go to the reference table, and you have the Adriatic Mountains here. You can tell which type of bedrock it has here. And I always encourage my students to look at the reference table for these questions, but I just want to tell you, it's that's not that's not what's going to give you the answer this time. It's what the question is really asking is, it doesn't matter about the Adriatic Mountains. It's asking about how do mountains actually form. So let's look at these answers and let's see what type of process they're actually talking about. Now, number 1 says cementation of clastic sediments and precipitates from seawater. Well, there definitely are sedimentary rocks, and that's what cementation of clastic sediments means, right? And again, if you go to the reference table and you come here, okay, you have clastic. What does it say? Okay, clastic fragmental. That's all clastic means. Just means fragmental. So it's saying cementation of rock sediments and precipitation of water. Okay? That's not how mountains form. You know that's not how mountains form. So let's look at the next one. 2, I actually like this answer because they really try messing with you. Compaction, sediment, that's sedimentary rocks. Recrystallization, that's metamorphic rocks. And volcanic materials, that's igneous rocks. So they're just trying to really mess with you there through and through. That's not the answer. 3 is regional metamorphism. Okay, so we know that continents collide to form mountains and form regional metamorphism of sedimentary and igneous rocks. So this one sounds pretty good, right? Because you have regional metamorphism of sedimentary and igneous rocks. Whenever you have mountains, you have 2 plates colliding, forcing rocks up. So it's going to be sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks that are squeezed, pushed, twisted, and they form from regional metamorphism. And number 4 says contact metamorphism of unconsolidated gravels. Well, unconsolidated gravels means it's not even a rock yet. It's just sediments. And you see metamorphism also. Now, the important thing to know here is the difference between regional metamorphism and contact metamorphism. Contact metamorphism is when igneous, it's not even igneous rock yet, but it's lava that intrudes, or magma that intrudes into other rocks, and literally is in contact with another rock and creates a metamorphic rock. Regional, on the other hand, is when an entire region collides with something else, and the entire region of rock all changes due to that heat and pressure. So there's no actual contact with lava or magma. It's heat, extreme heat and pressure due to plates colliding. So the correct answer is the regional metamorphism due to plates colliding, and these 2 plates would have sedimentary and igneous rocks on them. So Adriatic Mountains, just like all other mountains, form from regional metamorphism of sedimentary and igneous rocks. The correct answer is 3.